Yo estoy hablando. I'm talking. Yo estoy aprendiendo español. I'm learning Spanish. How do you build these sentences? Hola, ¿cómo están? Hoy vamos a empezar a estudiar el present progressive tense, or ing form. Sing is more commonly known in English as an ing form. Now, the present progressive tense describes an action that is in progress during a certain period of time. The present progressive tense in English or in Spanish, it does use the present tense of the verb to be in English and the verb estar. You know, we have two verbs to be, ser and estar. Present progressive tense is going to use the present tense of the verb estar. Now, for the people that is using my book for these lessons, we are in page 55. Now, if you don't have my book and you want to support my channel, the book is available on Amazon, and please check the link below the description. Okay, let's start. Then we have here the present tense of estar. And I put it together with the personal pronouns that you can see here. Yo estoy, tú estás, él está. Remember, in the third person, there is three persons. Él, ella, and usted. Nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ellos están, ellas están, ustedes están. Okay, let's see how we build the present progressive tense, or ing form. If the infinitive in Spanish ends in an A, we are going to change the A for ando. And then we're going to use, like we said, the verb of the sentence is going to be the present tense of the verb estar. Then for Jorge, that is he, and we see the chart right here, Jorge will go here, él. Then él está. Now, because we are using planear, that is an AR verb, then we will say Jorge está planeando. Remember, you take the AR out and you substitute for ando for all AR verbs. Now, don't add it to the AR. Some people forget to take it out and they add it. That's not correct. You have to take the AR out and add the ending ando. That is basically equivalent to ing for the AR verbs. Then this becomes Jorge está planeando su viaje a Costa Rica. Jorge is planning his trip to Costa Rica. La maestra is she, is the same verb then, the same conjugation. La maestra está enseñando español en la clase. Enseñar is another AR verb, and it becomes enseñando. Okay, now let's see. I have here a list of AR verbs, and then you can see how they change. Hablar, hablando. Estudiar, estudiando. Regresar, regresando. Trabajar, trabajando. Preguntar, preguntando. Viajar, viajando. Bailar, bailando. Cantar, cantando. Caminar, caminando. Manejar, manejando. Nadar, nadando. Tomar, tomando. Now let's get to the next chart, and I'm going to teach you how to change the ER and IR for an ing word. Then if we have the ER or an IR infinitives, we take again the endings. We take the endings out and we substitute for yendo. Yendo. Same sentence here. If we use ver, that will be viendo. Jorge, third person. Jorge está viendo televisión. Vilma is she. Vilma está viviendo en Seattle. And here is vivir. This is the ER and IR. Ver, viendo. Vivir, viviendo. Now we are also using the present tense of the verb to be, se, estar, and then the ing word. Now, if I was going to change this for yo, then it will be yo estoy viendo televisión. Let's take this sentence and do a little practice, and I'm going to go to the chart right here. Then it will be yo estoy viendo televisión, tú estás viendo televisión, él está viendo televisión, nosotros estamos viendo televisión, vosotros estáis viendo televisión, ellos están viendo televisión. Look how the verb changes, the conjugation changes according to the subject that you are using, if it's yo, tú. But viendo doesn't change, stays as viendo televisión, because this is the ing word. It will not change. It's the same as in English. If you go with the verb to be in English, you will say, I am watching TV. You are watching TV. He is watching TV. We are watching TV. And they are watching TV. You see how the verb to be changes, but watching TV doesn't change. Then this is pretty easy because it translates literally from the Spanish to English. You use the verb to be, and it's the verb of the sentence. It's the one that is going to be changing with the subject, and the ing word does not change. It stays the same as you change the subject. Okay, now let's see here the exceptions for some of the verbs is that when we have the verb has two vowels, then we're going to change the Y, and it's going to become leer, it will be leyendo. We're going to change the I of yendo for a Y, and you can see it here, leer, because it will be leyendo, but we don't say leyendo, we say leyendo. Change the I for a Y when it's between the vowels. And we have creer and becomes creyendo. Okay, and the ending yendo by itself is the present participle of the verb to go. Because to go, you know, the infinitive is ir. Okay, it's just a short verb in Spanish, ir. Okay, we take the IR out, we stay with nothing. Then basically is yendo. But we don't like it either, and then we change the I for a Y and becomes yendo. Then yendo is the ing word for the verb to go, ir. Now we have here some examples again of ing words for ER. Comer, comiendo, leer, leyendo, is double E here. Aprender, aprendiendo, creer, creyendo, responder, respondiendo, correr, corriendo, beber, bebiendo, ver, viendo. Now the IR verbs, escribir, escribiendo, decidir, decidiendo, abrir, abriendo, recibir, recibiendo, imprimir, imprimiendo, and vivir, viviendo. Okay, I hope this is clear, and I'm gonna put a little practice. I have two kind of videos in my channel, and one is the lessons, and another one that is gonna be reviews and practices, and then check for the practice for the ing. To learn more about the Spanish Class Cafe, visit us at www.thespanishclasscafe.com. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to keep up with the lessons. Bye for now. Hasta luego.